Hi my dear little ones, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. What we discussed in our last class? Yes, we discussed about our sense organs. How many sense organs we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. My dear little ones, shall we start our today's class? Okay, so today we are going to study about our eyes. My dear little ones, what is this? Yes, this is a beautiful rose flower, right? And what is the color of the flower? Yes, its color is red. And what about its leaves? Yes, its leaves are green in color. Can you identify this one? What is this? Yes, this is a ball. And what is its shape? Yes, it is round in shape. My dear little ones, look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a kitten and a cat. Is the kitten and cat are of same size? Very good. The kitten is small and the cat is big. My dear little ones, which organ helps to identify all these things? Yes, our eyes. With our eyes, we can identify the color of an object, size and shape of an object. We all know that we can see different things or objects around us with the help of our eyes. We can identify the color, size and shape of an object with the help of our eyes. In this picture, we can see the eyelid of our eye. A thin fold of skin covers the eye is called an eyelid. Once more, my dear little ones, what is an eyelid? Yes, a thin fold of skin covers the eye is called an eyelid. In our each eye, we have 2 eyelids. One is lower eyelid and the other one is upper eyelid. These eyelids protect our eyes from dust particles. Without our eyes, we cannot see this beautiful world. So, we can say that eye is an important sense organ in our body. Okay, my dear little ones, did you understand about eyes? Okay, the next sense organ we have to study is nose. Our nose helps us to breathe, and there are 2 nostrils to our nose. The 2 openings seen in the nose are called nostrils, and we all breathe through these nostrils. The smell of different things can be known with the help of our nose. Our nose helps to identify the smell of flower, smell of food, and we can identify the smell of waste products. And our nose also helps for the inhaling and exhaling of air. You know about inhaling and exhaling, right? Can you say what is inhaling? Yes, the process in which we breathe in air through our nose is called inhaling. Then what about exhaling? Yes, the process in which we breathe out air through our nose is called exhaling. Both inhaling and exhaling taking place through our nose, and the process of inhaling and exhaling of air is called respiration. Okay, my dears, Did you understand about nose? Okay, shall we read the points about eyes and nose? Are you ready? Eyes. We see different objects with eyes. Eyelids protect eyes from dust. We can identify the color, size and shape of an object with the help of eyes. So, eye is an important sense organ. Nose. Nose helps us to breathe and to identify the smell. There are 2 nostrils to our nose. We breathe through nostrils, inhaling and exhaling of air is called respiration. Okay, my little ones, did you understand about eyes and nose? Okay, now it's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.